If you are preparing to crack any competition or government job, then I bring to you the employment news of every week in English as well as in Hindi. If any notification related to employment is released in the middle of week, then I will be the first one to reach you with the notification. So friends, I am Mahinder Singh and I welcome you all to your and my YouTube channel Government Naukri Latest News. So dear subscribers, now I would take you to the computer screen to discuss about the news in details. Friends, let's start employment news of this week. Please search my channel by these keywords: Rozgar Samachar by Mahinder Singh, Government Naukri, Employment News, Latest Vacancy by Mahinder Singh. Employment News 8 May to 14 May 2021. Emerging opportunities in big data analytics. Civil Services Interview, probable questions and how to tackle them. Civil Services Interview, probable questions and how to tackle them. Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research recruitment advertisement for the post of Office Assistant, State Department. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri National Sanskrit University, Central University admission notice for the B.Ed, M.Ed and PhD courses. Office of the Auditor General of India, New Delhi. Notice for candidates selected for the post of Assistant Audit Officer, Divisional Accountant, Auditor through Combined Graduate Level Examination 2018. Sri Vishwakarma Skill University, State University enacted under the Government of Haryana Act 2016. Vacancy notice for Dean and Deputy Librarian. Acharya Narendra Dev College, University of Delhi, advertisement number ANDC Teaching Staff 2021/1 dated 8 May 2021. Online application are invited in the prescribed application form available at online link for assistant professor. For biomedical science, botany, chemistry, commerce, computer science, electronics, mathematics, physics and geology. National Power Training Institute, Power System Training Institute, Bangalore. 26-week postgraduate diploma course in transmission and distribution systems. Military Engineering Service Headquarters Chief Engineering Pune Zone Amendment Advertisement. Application are invited in the prescribed format for deputy for draughtsman and supervisor, barrack and stores. CSIR Central Food Technology Research Institute, Mysore. Recruitment of security officer. CSIR Institute of Minerals and Material Technology, Bhubaneswar. Application are invited from bona fide Indian national for filling of the Junior Secretariat of Assistant Z, Junior Secretariat Assistant F and A, Junior Second Assistant SNP, Junior Stenographer. Western Coalfields Limited, a Government of India undertaking, notification of engagement of doctors on temporary contract basis. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Aurangabad, skill development of youth in area of IECT. National Institute of Social Defense, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Admission notice for 1 year post-graduation diploma in integrated geriatric care. Indian Maritime University, a central university under Ministry of Ports and Shipping, Government of India. Advertisement for recruitment of campus directors on direct recruitment, public deputation. The Cotton Corporation of India Limited, a Government of India undertaking, Ministry of Textiles, cancellation notice of recruitment, advertise number DR2/CCI/2020 dated 8 December 2020. State Bank of India, Central Recruitment and Promotion Department, Corporation Center, Mumbai. Recruitment of junior associate, customers support and sales. Advertisement number CRPD/CR/2021-22/09. Online registration of application and payment of fees 27 April 2021 to 17 May 2021. Total number of posts 722. Special recruitment drive, total number of posts 726. Ministry of Finance, Department of Finance Service. Applications are invited from eligible and willing candidate for existing, anticipated and unforeseen vacancies for the post of recovery officer. MSME Technology Center, Durg. Admission notice for AICTE approved of diploma courses 2021. Courses are Diploma in Tools and Die Making, Energy Efficiency Services Limited, New Delhi. Notice, appointment of Director for Finance for Energy Efficiency Services Limited, dated 21 April 2021. Bank Note Press, Devas MP. Bank Note Press, Devas MP invites online application from Indian National. Bank Note Press, Devas MP invites online application from Indian nationals for filling up the various posts welfare officer, supervisor, ink factory, supervisor, information technology, junior office assistant, junior technician, ink factory, junior technician, printing, junior technician, electrical, or junior technician, mechanical. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services INCOIS, an autonomous body under Ministry of Earth Science, Government of India, Hyderabad. Name of the post Scientist B1, unreserved. All India Institute of Medical Science, Gorakhpur, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Health, Family Welfare, Government of India. Recruitment notifications for the post of professor, additional professor, associate professor, assistant professor. Total vacancy 127. Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. Advertisement for non-teaching post. Auditor officer on contract basis. Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. Rolling advertisement for faculty position. IIM Shillong is the 7th IIM in India. Name of the post Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor, Grade 1. Government of Himachal Pradesh, Department of MPP and Power. Advertisement for the post of Director, Civil, HPPCL. Balmer Lorry and Company Limited, a Government of India enterprises. Balmer Lorry invites application from professionals for the following post: Head Operations, Head Marketing, Assistant Manager, Deputy Manager, Assistant Manager IT, Assistant Manager Manufacturing, Chief Manager IT, Assistant Manager HR, Assistant Manager HR. Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services, application are invited eligible and willing candidate for the post of Recovery Officer by 31st December 2021. MSME Technology Center, Durg. Admission notice for AICTE approved diploma courses 2021. Diploma in Tools and Die Making, Diploma in Mechatronics. Union Public Service Commission Civil Services Prelims Exam 2018 General Studies Paper 1. Emerging opportunities in big data analytics. Government of India, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Unique Identification Authority of India, filling up the post of Assistant Director, General Technology, Technology Center, Bengaluru on deputation in Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. News Digest. National news. Government allows import of 17 critical medical devices to provide relief to COVID patients. Health Ministry issue revised guideline for home isolation of mild and asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. Uttarakhand government suspends Char Dham Yatra due to surge in COVID-19 cases. 40 countries come forward to provide medical assistance to India, says Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of Railways deploys nearly 4,000 isolation coaches with almost 64,000 beds. Bharat Biotech reduces cost of Covaxin from Rs 600 to Rs 400 for state government. International Digest. Covaxin found to neutralize 617 variant of coronavirus, says Dr. Fauci. 19th India-France Naval Exercise Varuna 2021 concluded. US President Joe Biden proposes sweeping new USD 1.8 trillion plan in his speech to joint session of Congress. PM holds telephonically conversation with Russian President Vladimir Putin over COVID-19 situations. Also reviews bilateral cooperations. WHO unveils global immunization strategy to save 50 million lives by 2030. US FDA and CDC lift pause on use of Johnson & Johnson single-dose COVID vaccine. Business Digest. Country's gold demand recovers during January to March period to witness a growth of 37%. Sports Digest. Athletes to be tested daily for COVID-19 at Tokyo 2020 Olympics. World Youth Boxing Championship. Indian women boxers create history with 7 gold medals.